Yo, what is good guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be exposing my meme coin deving crypto strategy all for you guys in this video. Most people lose thousands of dollars from trading meme coins, but I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month from doing the complete opposite, and that is creating meme coins. In this video, I will be doing a step-by-step guide on how to find a viral narrative, how to launch it, how to cash out. Everything will be done in this video with a live example. Let's get straight to it, bro. Like, subscribe, let's go. This wallet didn't come from trading, it came from launching and deving meme coins. And today, I'm showing you exactly how I do it without pushing a paid group or a course in your face. Now guys, think about what actually happens every single time you take a trade and you buy a coin. For example, you identify a coin, you buy in that coin, you hold your position, but after a couple minutes, bro, the dev completely dumps on all the people who bought in his coin and he makes thousands of dollars from this launch. As a trader, every single second that you are in that position, you are dependent on other buyers coming in after you, and then you have to pray for that the dev does not dump on you, which is another factor that comes into it. And that's exactly why I do not trade a single coin. I just create my own hype and I cash out when the market cap is high. That's all I do, and this is exactly what I will teach in this video, which is also called deving. Okay, we just create coins based out of real life events, viral narratives. We control the liquidity, we collect fees on every single transaction that comes in our coin, which is also called the Pump.Fun creator fees. We own supply, which we can cash out later on when the coin goes up, and that's exactly what we do all day every day to make thousands of dollars. In this video, I will be doing a live example on how to dev, and I will even go through every single step by step from A to Z. And by the way guys, unlike all these other YouTubers, I actually do this for free. I do not sell paid groups or courses. Let's get straight to it though. And by the way guys, everything is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I am just here to show you the method. That's it, that's all. So the results will vary. Do your own research. Cap! Now look bro, most people when they start deving, they immediately head over to Pump.Fun and they dev their coins here. I would say that most of the coins on chain are being launched on Pump.Fun. It's the most popular one because it has the highest volume, but it's over competitive. There are so many coins launching every single second while I'm speaking on Pump.Fun that most of these coins get no attention and they get no buyers. So if you are new to deving, bro, and you have a fresh wallet, no one will buy your coin, bro. Let's be honest, you were just wasting your time. On top of that, you don't control your own liquidity. That is exactly why you have to find a different strategy, and you have to be using mine. I launch under Radium Dex. It has more volume, it's less competitive, and there's more opportunity for your coin to print. Okay, when a coin goes to Radium, okay, in the migrate section, it gets a bunch of credibility. That's why I launched there. To make a coin on Radium, bro, do not use Pump.Fun because it's oversaturated, because it will have to reach a $35,000 migration price for it to level up to Radium. Instead, use create meme.io to launch directly to Radium. People are gatekeeping this launchpad for those exact reasons, and because you control your entire liquidity within your wallets, so that you control everything and you can cash out whenever you want, okay, while printing. Here's exactly how to make a coin. Now obviously bro, you have multiple options to creating a meme coin. You could either create a whole new coin from scratch by inventing a name, symbol, and image, whether it's a base news narrative, whether it's a community or a project. You can make it here within seconds and it goes to Radium, reaching thousands of people. Or you can use their free Twitter tracker, right, and you can turn tweets into coins. Just connect your Phantom wallet, you can turn tweets into meme coins directly. Or you can use my favorite method, and that is the vamping strategy in the copy trending coins tab right here. Basically, instead of creating a coin from scratch and just taking your chance on it, you can just copy a coin that is already working. All these coins are gaining a bunch of attention, a bunch of buyers, and they're just proven with their narrative, which means you can use these ideas and relaunch them back to Radium, right? You can relaunch the same exact coins back to Radium and just print from all the attention from there. And this is exactly how I make all my money from vamping. Let me show you how though. Now it's time to get straight to business. Let's make some money, bro. Let me show you how to dev right now. Connect your Phantom wallet like I just did before. Click on refresh and then look for a coin to copy. I'ma personally just choose one coin randomly. I'ma copy the above coin. Click on copy the Radium when you want to copy that coin. Ignore the block from Phantom, it's completely normal and safe, okay? Every launchpad will get this warning for the very beginning. Just proceed, confirm, I understand, and then click on confirm, and then the coin will be vamped, okay? Soon. Bang, and if I go in Soul Scan, you guys can see that it's minted. You guys can go check that for yourselves. Everything is working. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page right here is where we create our Radium liquidity pool, like that, okay? For example, your coin can go to Radium and it can be immediately migrated where thousands of people can see your coin. It's the whole point of creating the liquidity pool, and also you control all the coins in your wallet. Now for the amount of coins, click on 90%. This will drop 900 million tokens. For the amount of SOL to pair, I would recommend anywhere from 0.3 Solana to 1 Solana. Okay, it's up to you. I'm going to put 0.3 SOL. You are not going to lose this amount right here. If you want it back later, you can exit and then it will come back into your Phantom wallet. It's not a big deal, okay? Click on create pool. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up right here. Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button, then go down and bang, the bruv coin is live and your PNL is going to show up right there. And if you want to see how much you're up now, okay, click on refresh. And as you guys can see here, now we're up 190 bucks in profits. This is insane, 200% right there within a couple seconds. Now go on your preferred trading platform. Obviously you can go on Axum, Photon, Nova, it's up to you, bro. I personally just use Photon. It's way easier for me. I've been using it for a couple years now. Now let me go in the 1 second chart. Bang, we are gaining a bunch of attention. What the fuck? So many people are aping in, bro. This is exactly why you have to be fucking launching on Radium using create meme.io. Look at this, bro. All this attention came from Radium. These are all people trying to buy in early, okay? I'm telling you guys, when a coin goes to Radium, bro, it gets a bunch of attention right off the bat. Now, will this coin go even higher? We don't know, but just let the coin run. I might even buy on this dip right here for 2 SOL. Okay, we never know what could happen. It could go higher. We will let this coin run. We're already up like 1,000 bucks, maybe even more, bro. So it's not a big deal if it goes a bit down. Just let your coin run. And remember, bro, you have nothing to lose. You spent nothing on creating this coin, so do not be emotionally attached to the chart. Just let your coin run. I will be right back. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back, and on our trade we are up 150% through Solana. Let me sell 100%. Bang, we made a quick $200, $300 gain on that. But yeah, now it's time for the talk of the show, and that is how much did we make from deving. Now come back to create meme.io and then click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. And as you guys can see, we are up $2.4 thousand in PNL. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up right here. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it, bro, from start to finish. I just showed you exactly, bro, how to dev with my strategy that I've been using for the past couple of months now. 2.4 bands is how much I made with this coin in front of you. Create meme.io will be linked down below, bro. Take action right now. Stop trading, start deving, and yeah, like, subscribe. And if you want to win 5 Solana like this lucky winner right here from the last video, just like, subscribe, and comment, and join my Telegram group down below, bro. You'll be entered. Let's go.